Hey there, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to push your code to GitHub. So first things first, ensure that you have Git installed on your PC. If you don't, you can head over to Git something. You just search for Git, then install. Then the second requirement is that you must have a GitHub account. You can head over to github.com and sign up for free. Then third, ensure that you have some code. So I assume that you have all the free. Then we can just start. So once you're on GitHub, click on new, or you can just head over to github.com/new to create a new repository. Give it a name. You can give it any name you like. Then, if you wish to hide your code from other people, you can set it to private. Otherwise, leave it as public. Then click on create repository. Wait for a second, and your repository has been created. So as you can see, we have a few steps that we follow. The first step is to create a README, but we will ignore that because we already have the code. So you copy the second step, which is to initialize a Git project. So copy Git init, head over to your favorite IDE. In my case, I used Visual Studio Code. Then initialize a Git project. The next step is to add all your files and folders that you want to push. You add them to the staging area, and you use the command git add. And in this case, if you want to, let's say if you want to push one file, let's say index.html, you can do git add, then the file name, which is index.html. But because we have so many files here, we want to add all of them all at once. So we use git add with a period. But then you have to be careful, because if you use a period, it means even your sensitive files like .env and other files that you don't want, and things like node modules, they'll be pushed to GitHub. So in that case, you want to ignore those files. That's why you have to create a git ignore file at the root of your project. And as you can see, this is an Next.js project, so it is created. It comes with the boilerplate, and you can see they have ignored quite a number of files and folders here. So yeah, you can learn more by, you can do research on git ignore. So the next step is to commit. So now the files are in the staging area. We need to commit, and we need a descriptive message. In that case, because this is the first time, most the convention is to use commit or initial commit, but you can call it whatever you want. For the next step, it's up to you. So you can decide to follow along and skip, or you can use the main branch. Then the next step, add a remote origin, which is basically a URL. We need now to push our code. So if you gave it, if you renamed it main, you push to main. If you skipped this branch command, then you push to master, just like I did. Then you wait for a few seconds. So this may take long depending on how big your project is and how fast your internet connection is. So wait for a few seconds, Here we go. So as you can see, we have successfully pushed our code to GitHub. So yeah, that's it. Before we leave, I'm Franklin Mayoyo, the founder of SmartBrandly at smartbrandly.com. We help individuals and businesses build their SaaS software in 15 days. So in 15 days, you have your MVP. If you wish a website, it takes 5 days. Then a landing page, 48 hours. So see you there. The URL is smartbrandly.com. Link in the description.